Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money consistently from the crypto market. Now if you don't know how to trade future, you don't know how to trade spot, you don't know how to trade the grid in the crypto market, don't worry. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can consistently make at least $50 every day trading the crypto market. Okay, now if you take a look at my dashboard here, you're going to be seeing that this website called Toark, okay, this website is fully integrated to Binance. Okay, if you look beneath here, you're going to be seeing Binance, right? And this market, this Bitcoin price you actually see up here is fully integrated with Binance. So exactly what you are seeing here is what is showing on Binance as well. Okay, so what are we going to be doing here? Here I'm going to be showing you how you can make investment into this website and how you can make money from it. Okay, remember I told you, if you don't know how to trade by yourself, don't worry, there's a signal group where they actually give out signal and tells you exactly what to do for you to make money from this website. Okay, now quickly let me show you this. If you take a look here, you're going to be seeing 1 minute light. Okay, this trade is going to be lasting just for 1 minute, right? Then if you come up here, you're going to be seeing 5 minutes pro. Now this one is going to be lasting for 5 minutes. Okay, follow me as I take you through how you're going to be doing this trade and make money from this project. Okay, so all you just need to do first and foremost is to get yourself registered on this website. So you're going to be coming here. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of the video, the first link in the description of the video. You're going to come up here, put in your email, put in your password, right? And then the referral code is going to be here. If they're going to click on register here, right? Now after you register, automatically you also have access to this interface that you are seeing here, right? Then before I show you exactly how you're going to be trading, okay, and also going to be showing you my withdrawal proof from this website, first and foremost, let me show you how you're going to be depositing into this website, because you need to deposit some funds into this website for you to be able to trade. Okay, so all you just need to do here is to come down here where you see wallet here, right? You're going to see wallet here. You click on this wallet here, then you're going to see deposit up here, right? You're going to see deposit here. Now you can see the minimum amount you can deposit into this website is $5. Okay, but let's assume you want to be conservative and you say you want to do $50, right? You're just going to come down here. You can do $50, you can do $100, $1,000, as the case may be. Okay, but the minimum is $5, right? Then you're going to come down here, you're going to choose USDT here, right? Then you're going to click on pay here. Okay, now when you click on pay here, it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, I mostly like to use BEP20 USDT, but you can see TRC20 USDT also, but I normally use BEP20. Then here you're going to click on pay now. Okay, now when you click on pay now, it's going to give you the wallet address where you'll be able to send the funds to. Okay, so here you're going to be paying, you see, you are depositing $50 here. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come down here, then you copy this wallet address, right? Then you go to either your Binance, your KuCoin, your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet. Then you're going to send these funds to your account. Now when you send these funds, when you transfer these funds, this $50, then automatically it's going to appear in your account here. Okay, you're going to have the funds in your account. Now when you have that funds in your account, then you will be able to trade this market and make money from here. You remember I told you there's a signal group here. They give you the signals to trade this market, even if you don't know how to analyze the market for yourself, right? So now you can see this button here where it says invest. You're going to click on this invest here, right? So if you, let's assume you want to trade and you want to start with $10, you're going to click on this $10 here, right? Now if you click on this $10, what this market expects you to choose to do is to choose between odds and even, right? So that means whether the market is going to go up or is going to come down, right? So that is the reason why this odd and even. So let's assume you want to trade by yourself and you click on these odds, right? You can see remember you are staking $10. If the result comes out as odd, then automatically you've won additional $10, and it means that your profit is $10 and your capital is $10, right? But if since for some of you that don't know how to predict whether the market is going to be odd or even, let me quickly show you a Telegram channel where you can get signals from for you to be able to be profitable in this trade. Okay, now let me quickly go to the Telegram and show you the group, right? So if you come to this, you can see this is Toark Signal group, right? I'm going to be dropping the link even to this Signal group, the link to the general group. Everything is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, so if you come here now, you're going to be seeing that they'll be dropping signals here, right? Now you can see they say Toark Signal project 1 minute. Okay, so you are to expected to choose the 1 minute project, okay, on the platform, which is this. Let me quickly show you this. You're expected to choose, when you see that 1 minute, this is the one you are supposed to choose, right? Then here you can see you have to purchase the even, right? You can see the even here, multiple 1x, okay, which is purchase price is just $10. Okay, you are supposed to expected to take one $10 right here. Okay, now I joined them in taking this trade, and if you come down here, you can see we actually won this particular trade. Okay, now in some cases, I must be sincere to you, you might not win in some cases. Okay, that is the reason why, if you don't win in some cases, let's assume you came in with let's assume you came in, like you came in with $10, okay, and you lose that trade. The next trade, which is going to be 2x, you're expected to like put in $20 here. Okay, so you're expected to like put in $20 here, right? Okay, then when that one actually wins, automatically what is going to be happening, then it means that it's going to be, the profit is going to be $40, right? Then you're going to take out the $20 you invested first, and your profit is going to be $20. And if it is 3x, if they ask you to take 3x, that means $10 times 3, right? Now $10 times 3, if the project goes into a win, okay, if it goes into a win, that is $90. So if you take your $30 out of it, you must have made profit of $60. Okay, so make sure you always come to this Signal group and take out the trade from this Signal group. Okay, now quickly let me also show you in the Signal group the time they actually post their trade, because the trade don't come like every minute. It's not every minute, right? It comes at a particular trade. Now let me quickly show you when they post the trade. So as you can see here, okay, you can see the signal time, right? It's 8 a.m. UTC time to 4 p.m. UTC. So 8 a.m. UTC time, they actually post trade, okay? Then the next time they're going to be posting trade is going to be 4 p.m. UTC time. Now, if you are watching this video from India, once it is 1:30 p.m., they are going to be posting trade. Then the next time they are going to be posting trade again is going to be 9:30 p.m. Okay, you can see from Sri Lanka, the first time they are going to be posting trade for the day is going to be 1:30 p.m. Then the next time is going to be 9:30 p.m. And if you are from Nigeria, the first time they are going to be posting trade for the day is going to be 9 a.m. in the morning, and the other time they are going to be posting trade again is going to be 5 p.m. in the evening. So you can also come up here and you're going to see the time here. Like I already told you, remember this link is going to be, or this Telegram link is going to be in the description of the video. Make sure you follow the time so that you can get accurate timing for when they are going to be posting signals for you to be able to take profitable trade. Okay, but if you feel you can trade on your own, you can do it, but I prefer to do it on their Telegram, get the signal from their Telegram group and follow their trade here. Okay, now quickly, like I already told you this morning, I actually did some trade, so I had to make sure I made a withdrawal from the website to be sure that the payout is actually going through before I alert my subscribers, so that your money will not be stuck here. So I went ahead, I traded with them this morning, and I made a withdrawal. You can see, you know, I showed you the time I traded this morning. After making the withdrawal this morning, you can see my withdrawal. I actually got the money in my Binance account, right? You can see the timing here. I actually withdrew 25 USDT, but some trading fee was some transaction fee was taken out of it, so you can see 24.25 USDT here. Okay, so that goes to tell you that the site is actually paying, right? So all you just need to do is just to follow the process I've shown you on how to make investment and trade on this website. Okay, and also after you must have made money on this website and you want to make your withdrawal, all you just need to do is just to come up here. Then you're going to click on this three dots up here, right? then you're going to see your wallet here. Okay, you have to bind your wallet to the website so that you'll be able to make withdrawal. I've done mine already. So, and also first and foremost, look at the Google Authenticator here. You have to make sure that your Google Authenticator is also binded with the website so that your funds and everything will be saved on the website. Okay, I've done that already. So if you want to do it, all you just need to do is just to click here. It's going to walk you through. For you watching this video about how to make crypto investment, I believe you understand how Google Authenticator actually works and also how to bind your crypto wallet. Okay, these are simple processes that you can actually go through for yourself, right? And also, if you have any issue and you want to get in touch with the customer care, you can actually come here. Just click on this chat here, right? When you click on this chat, it can take you to their Telegram and you can chat with their customer care agent. Okay, they are very fast in responding to messages. That I've done, and I can confirm that they are very fast in doing that. Okay, and also if you want to make more extra funds, bro, you can go ahead and invite your friends, right? Show people about this project, and as soon as they join, you're going to be making extra funds. You can see up here you can make or you can earn up to 550 USDT even from just referring your friends. Okay, it's as simple as that. You can just come down here, click your referral link. When you copy your referral link, you just go ahead, you can see your referral links here and your referral code. Go ahead and invite your friends, your business associates, your colleagues into the website. As soon as they trade and all that, you also keep making money on this website. Okay, I believe you got value from the video and you understand exactly how this project actually works. Okay, remember the link is going to be in the description of this video, and also if you want to get in touch with me, check out my Telegram group down there, okay, in the description of the video. You can also get in touch with me through my link in the description also. Okay, I want to believe you got value. I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.